In this video, I will show you how to draw map chart in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, you need some data. Like we have some data for GDP growth. So copy and paste here. Now select your data. So we have data for GDP growth as country. Now click on insert, then map. Click here. Then increase the size for this map. Now right click on it and click on format data series. Select this one. Here select automatic area. So select only region with data and map label. Select best fit only. Series color. So you have the option 2 or 3 color. Minimum, medium and maximum. So select highest value and select color combination. Like this. Also you can make some more changes. Then select word for automatic. Like this. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.